Question number 9 taken from October 2014, HSC Advanced Level Maths, P3. Let fx is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 9 over 1 minus x in brackets times 2 minus x in brackets to the square. Express fx in partial fractions. Hence, for the second part, obtain the expansion of fx in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x squared. Okay, 10 marks for this question. Right, so we need to express, okay, x squared minus 8x plus 9 over 1 minus x in brackets times 2 minus x in brackets to square in partial fractions. So this is going to be a over 1 minus x plus b over 2 minus x plus c over 2 minus x to the square. Now all this is going to multiply, is going to be sent to be multiplied on the other side. So 1 minus x cancels out. So we're going to be left with a times then 2 minus x to the square plus b times 2 minus x cancel out. This is order of 2. That's going to become order of 1 then, because 1 is taken out. So we have b times x minus 1 minus x times 2 minus x plus c. This one cancel with this one, and therefore we have c times 1 minus x. Here we are. Now this is all equal to x squared minus 8x plus 9. So first of all, we're going to select x is equal to 1. Replace 1 in here. 1 to the square minus 8 times 1 is minus 7 plus 9 is 2. 2 is equal to, now 2 minus 1 to the square is 1. 1 times a is a. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore a is equal to 2. Then let x is equal to 2 this time. Okay, so we have 2. Now replace in here. 2 to the square is 4. 8 times 2 is 16. 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. So we have minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 times c is minus c. Therefore c is going to be 3. And then let x is equal to 0. So replacing 0 here, 0 minus 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 is equal to 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 to the square is 4. 4 times a is 4a. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times b is 2b plus 2b. 2 minus 1 minus 2 is, okay, sorry, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 times c is c plus c. So therefore 9 is equal to 4 times a, 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2b plus c, which is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 9 minus, because 11 is going to go on the other side, it's going to become minus. 9 minus 11 is minus 2. Let's go to 2b. Therefore b is going to be minus 1. Hence, to express that in partial fraction, you see fx is equal to a, which is 2 over 1 minus x plus b. B is minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 1 over 2 minus x plus c. C is 3 over 2 minus x to the square. Here we are for the first part. For the second part, we need to expand this up to including the term of x squared. This is binomial expansion. Therefore, we're going to use 1 plus x to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1 x squared over factorial of 2 plus and so on. Right. What is the first one? 2 over 1 minus x. 2 over 1 minus x is the same as 2 times 1 minus x to the power minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 1 minus nx, n is minus 1, plus minus 1 times x, okay, plus, minus x, because this is minus x, right, plus minus 1 into n minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, times minus x to the square divided by factorial of 2, right, and that's it, up to the term including x squared. Yeah, so therefore we're going to be ending up with 2 times 1 minus minus becomes plus x, minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2 divided by factorial of 2, that's going to become 1, minus x times minus x is plus x squared. Therefore we have 2 plus 2x plus 2x squared. Right, now we need to expand this. 1 over 2 minus x. What is 1 over 2 minus x? 1 over 2 minus x is the same as 2 minus x to the power minus 1. We can send the 2 outside. That's going to become 2 outside, and inside we're going to be left 2 to the power minus 1 then. Inside we're going to have 1 minus x over 2 to the power minus 1. What is 2 to the power minus 1? This is the same as 1 over 2 times here 1 minus, plus nx. Okay, what is nx? So minus 1 times minus x over 2 plus minus 1 minus 2 times, because n minus 1 and minus 2, right, okay, that's it, times minus x over 2 to the square, all divided by factorial of 2. So that's going to give us half into 1 minus minus becomes plus x over 2, right, minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. This is going to become 1/4 x over 4, x squared over 4, and this is 2 divided by factorial of 2, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we have x squared over 4. And that's going to give us half plus x over 4 plus x squared over 8. Right. So now we need to expand the third one, which is 3 over 2 minus x to the square. So this is 3 over 2 minus x to the square. This is like 3 times 2 minus x to the square, but power minus 2. So what is it then? It is 3 times, you can send the 2 outside, it's going to become 2 to the power minus 2, and inside you're going to be left with 1 minus x over 2 to the power minus 2. 3 times, this is 1 over 2 to the power of 2, 1/4 times 3 is 3/4, into 1 plus minus 2nx minus 2 times minus x over 2, okay, plus minus 2 minus 3 times minus x over 2 to the square divided by factorial of 2, about 3/4 minus 1, minus minus becomes plus, the 2 goes out, so we have 1, minus minus becomes plus, the 2 goes out, that's going to be x. Alright, then here minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6, plus 6 divided by factorial of 2, factorial of 2 is 2, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 times minus x to the square is x to the square, that's going to become plus anyway, and so we have 3 times 1/4, because the 2 here, 2 to the square is 4, so 1 over 4, 1/4 times 2 is 3 times 1/4 is 3/4, isn't it? 3/4 x squared. Hence this is going to lead us to 3/4 plus 3/4 x plus 9 over 16 x squared. Remember, we have to take this minus the second one plus the third one. So we're going to take 2 minus half plus 3/4. So 2 minus half plus 3/4 is going to give us 2 1/4, which is basically 9 over 4. Now this is going to be 9 over 4. Okay, then what do we have? We have here, this is 2x, okay, minus 1/4 x plus 3/4 x. So 2 minus 1/4 plus 3/4, and this is 2.5, which is 5 over 2. So we're going to have plus 5 over 2x. Then we have 2x squared, 1 over 8x squared, which is minus 1 over 8, 2x squared minus 1 over 8x squared plus 9 over 16x squared. So that is 2 minus 1 over 8, okay, and then plus 9 upon 16. And that's going to give us 2 7/16. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 7 is 39, so that's 39 over 16. Therefore we have it as 39 over 16 x squared. And here's the answer. 10 marks for you.